So our problem says which mixed number is equivalent to 11/4. We said that a fraction that has a greater numerator than denominator is called a fraction greater than 1. We have it right here. A fraction greater than 1 is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. It shows that there are more than one whole. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that to a mixed number. For that, we're going to use a number line. We're going to draw a number line that starts in 0. If you notice my denominator is 4, that tells me how many pieces are in the whole. Okay? So my number line is going to have 4 pieces on each whole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to stop right there. This is my number line. This is 1 whole, 2, 3. Okay? Each piece of this is how much? What is each piece in here? In the whole. How many pieces do I have? How many pieces do I have in the whole? How many pieces do I have in the whole? How many pieces do I have in the whole? 4. It comes from the denominator. So each piece is 1/4. So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This will be 1 whole. How would I express it as a fraction? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and this should be 4/4. Why? Because if I eat 4 pieces out of a pizza cut in 4, that means that I ate 1 whole pizza. That's what is called 1 whole. Then I start again. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. But this is going to be, no, 1, 2, 3. This should be 4/4. But I have 4/4 here. For 2 wholes, this will be
4/8.
The other way. 8/4. This is 8/4 because here I already have 2 wholes. And I start again. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and this will be 12/4. Okay, so I need 11/4. So I'm going to use my wholes until I get to my 11, and I'm going to shade those parts. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here I have 11/4. Okay? So now that I know where I stop on my number line, I'm going to write my fraction. 11/4 is equal to, how many whole numbers did I pass? How many whole numbers did I pass? No, whole numbers. 2. 1, 2. So that 2 is the number that goes in front of the fraction. How many pieces did I end up after the 2? 3/4. So that 3/4 is the number or the fraction that goes next to it. Okay? Another way to look at this is if I have 11/4, I can say, how many wholes did I pass? I know that I had 4/4 plus I pass another one because I have 2. Another 4/4, and the last piece was 3/4. And I know this is a whole, so that's 1. That's 2 wholes. That's my 3/4. So here I have 1 plus 1 is 2, and what is left is 3/4. Okay?